What if there's a command that could hide your IP, DNS, MAC address, and browser traces? Everything we do on the internet leaves a footprint, and with that, it can prove our existence. In this video, we are going to be learning how we can make our Kali machine basically invisible online with a GitHub tool called Whoami. This tool will keep you anonymous on the internet. So let's get started. This video is strictly for educational purposes only. Use this tool for ethical hacking only. The first thing you need to do is open up your browser and on the search bar type Whoami GitHub and press enter. Once the results shows up, click on this link. This is the official page for the Whoami tool. You can scroll down to read more about this tool to understand how this tool works. On this page, scroll down until you get to the installation section. This section provides you with all the commands needed to fully install this tool onto your system. Before downloading any tool from GitHub, make sure you verify it before you download it onto your system. I'm only doing this for demonstration purposes only. First, copy this command to download all the dependencies for this tool and head back to your terminal. Paste the link and press enter. After the dependencies are installed, I'll simply head back to the website and copy the second command. I'll head back to the terminal and paste the command and press enter. This command will simply clone the GitHub repository onto my Kali Linux. Now I can type the ls command and I can now confirm that the project has been downloaded successfully. I will now change to this directory with the cd command. I'll type the ls command to view the content of this directory. Inside this directory you can see the makefile. This is the actual file we need to install this tool. I'll then head back to the website again and scroll down and copy the next command. Head back to the terminal and paste the command and press enter. Now we are all done and ready to start Whoami. So, first I'll check the help menu by typing the command sudo kali followed by hyphen, and then Whoami and a double hyphen followed by help and press enter. I can see these are all the switches I can use with Whoami. We can also check the current status of this tool by typing sudo space kali hyphen Whoami space, double hyphen and status. This command will show you the current status of this tool. As you can see, these tools is on the disabled mode. We can start the tool by typing sudo kali hyphen Whoami space double hyphen start and press enter. The first is the anti-MITM. It will automatically ban attackers during the man-in-the-middle attack. The second is the log killer. This will destroy all the log files in your machine so that you cannot be traced. The third option is the IP changer. With this option, it redirects all your network traffic through a Tor transparent proxy. The fourth option is the DNS changer. This will replace the default DNS server with a privacy-focused alternative. The MAC changer randomizes the MAC address for all network interfaces. The time zone changer sets the system time to UTC to avoid location leaks through timestamps. The hostname changer will randomize the hostname to hide system identity. And finally, the browser anonymization configures your browser to give you an extra layer of anonymity. Now that you understand what all of the options can do, let's try any one of them. First, I will try the IP changer. So select the number beside the option that you want to use. Since I want to use the IP changer option, I will type 3 and then press enter. And I can see there is a tick mark beside it and it says IP changer was checked. I will change my hostname as well, so I'll type 7 and then press enter one more time. Now I'll head back to my browser and type dnsleaktest.com to check my IP location. As you can see, my location has been changed, and when I go back to my terminal, you can see my hostname has been changed as well. And if you want to stop Kali Whoami, type the command sudo kali hyphen Whoami followed by a double hyphen and stop. With this command, all the features will be disabled. So this is one of the many ways you can hide yourself from the internet. If you like this content and want to watch similar content focused on privacy, security, ethical hacking, or Kali Linux in general, please subscribe to the channel.